Yeah, folks, Mister Kebab is a new and exciting place on Dr. Rosen, just down from the highway. You got Metro right here and the Chinese store, and then to the other side you have King's and Pedro Clisante with all the action there. This is actually the back door of King's here. Next door to that you go in, and it's a cozy place where you have TVs. You can see all the nice paintings here too. Very stylish place. And we'll go in, check what's happening here. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Muy bien. There's the team in action over here. So the menus on the wall, they've got restrooms. A real cool place. And I'll put the opening hours and days next to the video here. It's a delicious menu, good prices. You got hamburgers, salads, kebabs, nachos, chicken, doner kebabs, and more. Alright folks, so that's on Dr. Rosen. Just heading down to the nightlife strip there, so come down and try them. We'll just have a quick zoom in here. Hi Jürgen. Hola señor.
Hola, ¿cómo está?
Bien, y usted, muy delicioso. Yeah, very delicious here.
Yeah.
Just like you would get it in Turkey or somewhere.
This is my doner chicken.
Okay, gracias.
Okay, see you.
Okay, folks, over and out. Come give them a try. Very delicious.